Hello, Sean. Hey, I wanted to show you good news. I've got your Turbo Cube Dimension booting and just setting the board out to get new caps. As I say, this board looks to be in excellent condition. Just came in with a bunch of different cool stuff, and the case is in really nice shape too. I think it'll round out just-in-time inventory. So I appreciate your business and patience. And Matt said that he should be able to take care of the boards fairly quick. Let's see if I do Command tilde. That'll get us to where we can set system parameters, P for parameters, SD. Changes it to boot SCSI device. And sound out test, yes. Oh, yes. SCSI tests, yes. Leave loop until key press no. Verbose mode, yes. We definitely want to see what's going on in the background. And no to boot extended diagnostics. And serial port A, I click that to yes. And yes on password protected boots. And yes. And we'll do parity checking. Okay. So now if we power off, power back up. Have to be a little patient. It's the best that 1990s tech had available. So it'll have dual monitors as well. That flicker isn't actually there. It's just the difference between refresh resolution rate of the camera and the monitor. Then we can see the boards here. I'm going to add in a CD, DVD internal. We've already got the new caps on the Turbo Cube board. And as I say, Matt said he'll be able to recap those this week. Then we can see that it's booting over here. That's great. I'm going to upgrade your Dimension board to 64 megs of VRAM as well. So really appreciate your business and patience. I'm going to go ahead and call this one. Got a lot on my plate today for Monday, and stay tuned. More fun stuff to come from the black hole. All right. Yeah, Sean, you're going to be stoked. Have a good day.